In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense in Splitwise. Whether you're splitting rent with roommates, tracking a trip with friends, or just keeping things fair after a night out, knowing how to quickly add an expense is essential. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic flow so you feel confident using Splitwise on your own. First, open your browser and go to the Splitwise website, then log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Splitwise dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see your groups, friends, and overall balances. Take a second to make sure you're in the right place. On the left side, you should see a list of your groups, like roommates, trip, or any other group you're part of. Next, click on the specific group where you want to add the expense. This is important because the expense will be shared with the people in that group. Once the group is selected, you'll see the group's activity and all past expenses related to it. Now, look for the button that says Add Expense. This is usually easy to spot, often highlighted near the top or center of the group page. Go ahead and click on Add Expense. This will open a form where you can fill in the details. Here, you'll want to enter the name of the expense like groceries, electricity bill, or dinner out. Then type the total amount that was paid. Make sure you double check this number so the split is accurate. You can also choose who paid the bill and how it should be split among the group members. By default, Splitwise usually splits things evenly, but you can adjust the shares if needed. For example, if one person owes more or less. You can also add helpful details like a date, a category, or a short note, such as January bill or paid in cash, to keep everything clear for everyone involved. Once you've reviewed all the information and everything looks correct, click the button to save or confirm the expense. After that, the new expense will appear in your group's activity, and everyone's balances will update automatically. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added an expense in Splitwise, and your group's shared costs are now